Hello guys, myself Alok Singh. I hail from Ambedkar Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. I was facing hair loss problem since I was pursuing my BTech. Since then, I was trying to control hair fall and tried several medicines, several treatments. But finally, I realized that there is a permanent solution of hair transplant. Currently, I am working in Indian Railway in Amritsar. I was surfing on internet. How can I remove my baldness? Then I got to know about the Regrow Clinic, and I had seen the several reviews of several celebrities just like Daya and Rajpal Yadav and all these things. And I also consulted a few of my friends regarding this. And then I decided to came here. And today I had visited here, and hopefully I will get my treatment at, at the optimum rate. And it's a preliminary stage. It is not so severe for me still because I have still number of hairs on my head. But if there is a possibility to regrow the things whatever lost happened in the past, so why not try for it? So because of this, I visited here, and hopefully I will get best result from here. Initially, I had huge number of hair on my head. When I was in BTech first year. I can observe that I had a huge number of hairs, and I had a ample amount of hair on my head. But day by day, it was keep on shedding, and later on, after final year, I can feel that yes, there is a huge number of shedding in both the lining of my head, and that sometimes it's cause a lack of confidence because you have everything, but you look good, but only the because of hair loss, you feel lack of confidence. So in this regard, I had visited some hospital as well, and they had given me one medicine. I had applied that name of the medicine is minoxidil oil, but it was not working at all. Means I had applied for more than for 6 months, but I have not got enough result. Then I got fed up. I just left everything, and then I got to know about that Regrow Clinic, and then I visited here, and now I'm here, and I'm looking all around that people are working here very enthusiastically, and I will get the desired result from here. I came here and I'm little bit nervous because I had never done any kind of surgery in the past, and this is the very first time for me. And the counselor team has suggested that it might be 3,000 graft I had needed, but I think what I feel that 2,000 or 2,500 is enough for me. But I need to consult my doctor here, and they will provide me the better solution. Since I am a patient, I don't know how much it will need. Once everything will be done, I will definitely come back and I will discuss with you guys. And stay tuned with this channel and with us. Thank you so much. Hello guys, good afternoon. Myself Alok Singh. As in the previous video I had told you that I hail from Ayodhya and currently working in Amritsar. From the YouTube and some other social media, I got to know about the Regrow. then I visited here, and I'm gonna share you from my today's experience of my hair transplantation. I was a bit nervous initially because this is my first time I have ever been in the OT, operation theatre. But I will like to inform you that the supporting staff, the doctor, and every other person are very, very supportive, and they had cooperated wonderfully. And I never feel any kind of headache and all these things, that what will happen, how it gonna works and all this. Every single question whatsoever I asked, they had replied me. And right now I'm finally, I can openly say here in the video that I'm content, completely content. There is no doubt left. Only I'm just waiting for my result. As guys are saying that it will take more than 6 months and 6 to 8 months. I'm just hoping that after 6 and 8 months I will be back, and I will show you my hair growth. In the operation theatre, I would like to say that before I got to start, everybody was asking, how are you feeling? What is your experience? I just say this is my first time. I never been in the operation theatre. And while doing the operation, while doing the transplantation, in every minute doctor was keep on asking that whether you are suffering from any kind of pain, anxiety and all these things. I just say no. Sometime I did this, and I just inform you, then they provide me local anesthesia at that point, that particular place of my hair. I realized that at the end there is no pain, only little bit, since I have some kind of surgery, so I have that kind of feeling of awkwardness, not anything else. If you talk about the hygiene was excellent. Every single time they were using the sanitizer, mask and all these things, and they had given instruction to me as well, because right now my backside hair from my backside has been removed, so there is a kind of wound is there. But they had given me ample amount of guidelines that if I will adhere those guidelines, then definitely there won't be any issue. Guys, you can see nearby my forehead, the density of hair was very low. So that was the main concern, because it kept on lower down my confidence. My backside hair was perfect, but from the front hair was forehead hair was not good actually. So because of that, I visited here. Near about 3,000 graft has been planted over my head, and they are very cooperative, very supportive, and they are expert actually in their field. Whatever technician was there, they were expert. They know how to deal the patient. I would like to inform you that the QST session was wonderful. It was very fantastic. I will recommend you that if you are facing the same kind of hair loss problem, please visit QST. They are very fantastic, and they will definitely satisfy you whatever your desire might be. I will recommend you that if you are facing the same kind of hair loss problem, please visit QST. They are very fantastic, and they will definitely satisfy you whatever your desire might be. And thank you for today. Thank you for the session, and I will meet you in the next video after having my hair back. Thank you.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। और ध्यान रहे बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें, जिससे हमारे हर वीडियो का अपडेट आपको समय समय पर मिलता रहेगा।